How do you complete the square where there's a number in front of the x squared term? Let me show you. Okay, so we have 2x squared plus 16x plus 35, and we need to complete the square in this form. Now, the way we normally do this is you always take the number that's in front of the x squared outside of the first two terms. You factorize it. So let's say you have 2x squared plus 16x. Now you need to take a 2 outside and see what you're left with inside, which will be an x squared plus 8x, like this. Okay? Now, the important thing you have to do here is that this is the part you complete the square on. Okay, so if you remember how to complete the square, we're going to have 2. Now we're going to have to do this in a square bracket like this, and then it's x, half of that, which is plus 4 squared. Now you normally square this over here and put it as a negative. So 4 squared is 16, so that'll be minus 16, like that. Okay, and for the time being, close that. And now the number that you had over here left over, the c, on its own, basically, you bring that over and you put it over here like that. Now, you are going to continue to work through this, but the only difference is now you're going to just basically expand this square bracket. So the 2 will multiply in front of this, and the 2 will also multiply in front of that. So 2 times the bracket is 2 bracket x plus 4 squared. 2 times minus 16 is minus 32 plus the 35. So that's 2 bracket x plus 4 squared. Minus 32 plus 35 is a positive 3. And there you go. That's it. So very quickly, one more time. When you have to complete the square on a question like this where there's a number in front of the x squared, you must first factorize the first two terms like that. Take the number outside, whatever is in front of the x squared, that's the one you want to factorize for. So I took it outside, I'm left with this. The bracket you're left with, that's what you need to actually complete the square on in this manner. Now, once you've done that, you then expand it back again, and then, of course, continue to solve and go from there and simplify. That's it. If you need to watch it again, go through the video one more time, and I promise it will make sense. See you next time. Bye-bye.